Hey everybody, Lorna here. I've been gone for quite a while. I've moved, I've been on vacation, I've been cat wrangling. Don't do that. Anyway, so a while back I decided that I was gonna stop getting Ipsy, the Ipsy bags. I was getting very unimpressed, I suppose, with what they were sending, and I put that on hold and I got my first Birchbox back in April. First of all, this box is fresh. I mean, you cool? You give me cool? I've been out of town and she's making a point of being in my face. So, first Birchbox. This was my April Birchbox. My very first one. April is my birthday month, so I treated myself. And it came with this little guy here. It basically gives me an outline of the samples that I got. This is my life. These cats are my life. Anyway, so it gives me a breakdown of the samples that they sent me and what the retail price is for full size product. So what I got was, and I got some stuff. I got Schmidt's Lavender and Sage Natural Deodorant. I have not tried it yet. No aluminum, no propylene glycol, no artificial fragrance. Neutralizes odor and absorbs wetness. We shall see. Next, I got Kula SPF 30 Organic Makeup Setting Spray plus Hyaluronic Acid. Next, I got Ades New York, I don't know how to say that word, Kupausu butter. It's some chapstick. So it's this little guy. I got Ico London Skinny Liquid Eyeliner. I learned about Ico from Ipsy, believe it or not, and they are my favorite eyeliner, liquid eyeliners. I feel like they don't dry out. The tip stays pretty fine and doesn't feather, so I'm happy for this one. And I also got Dr. Lip Miracle Balm for dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. This little guy right here. Birchbox was offering some of the Lipstick Queen frog prints samples. It's supposed to, bring out the natural color of your lips. So it's this guy. It's this green lipstick. I know you guys have seen it before, so let's see it. Oh, sorry, that was my cat. I don't know what scared her, but this is the lipstick. Let's just see if we can. Okay, hi, thank you. So that was my April Birchbox, and then I also have my May Birchbox. Equally cute packaging. I really dig. Like, what do you guys do with these boxes when you're done with them? You don't just throw them away, do you? Because they're so cute. Like, do you regift them? What do you do with them? I don't want to throw them away. They're really cute. There's got to be something I can do with them. Anyway, so got my little, card that tells me how much they cost for full price. And my first item was Jour de Tone Sugar Texturizing Spray. I love texturizing spray. I got Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I love dry shampoo. I live by it. I swear by it. It's the best thing to ever be invented ever in this world. Hands down. Clarins One Step Gentle Exfoliating Cleanser with orange extract. Aero Enhance Waterproof Eyeliner in Bright Now. Definitely like almost white. Cool. I don't know. I don't wear eyeliner that often. When I do, it's usually black. I don't usually venture, although Ipsy sent me 1,001 gold eyeliners, so you know I should probably start wearing them. And last but not least, Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate, a replenishing elixir of pure essential oils and distilled botanicals to visibly restore the appearance of skin by morning. It comes in such a cute container, so how can I say no? I'm very pleased because I'm not getting gold eyeliner or blush. So far, I'm pretty pleased with Birchbox, and I don't know if I'm going to go back to Ipsy. I can tell you one thing: I don't need all those makeup bags from Ipsy. I'd rather have a cardboard box that I can recycle than a makeup bag that I can't do anything with. Very pleased with what I've gotten and excited to see what I get in June. I hope you guys are having a really great summer. I hope it's not nearly as hot wherever you are, because it's 95 here with 75% humidity, and we're rocking it. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.